Hey guys, good morning from you know where, Southern Nevada. Hey, today we're going to review the Ruger Security-380 Lite Rack Pistol. Check this out. I'm going to take out the magazine, take off the safety. It is unloaded, but I'll tell you what, check this out. Look how easy that is to bring back. Now this is hammer fired, and if I drop the hammer, it's still very easy to bring it back. But we will talk more about that here in a moment. But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over this real quick. I'll show you the ammo we're going to put through it, and then we're going to shoot it and see how it operates. I just bought it, brand new, haven't shot it, so anxious to put a few rounds through it, so let's get started. So you know what? Nothing fancy. This comes in a plain paper box, and it does have a few accessories here that we're going to go over. But I really like the looks of this pistol. Just kind of really cool looking. The barrel length is 3.4 inches. The weight of this little guy is 19.7 ounces. I really like the sights on this. The rear sight is metal and it is adjustable for windage. And it does have a very nice fiber optic front sight on it, which is very easy to see. And it does have an external thumb safety. And again, it is hammer fired. You know, one thing I really like about this, it comes with two magazines. It comes with a 15-round magazine. And it also comes with one 10-round magazine. You know, I've owned several 380 pistols over the years, and they always seem to come with 6 or 7 round magazines. So having a 15-round magazine in a 380, that's pretty cool. So before I show you the ammo, let me go over this slide real quick. And last year, my wife had a complete shoulder replacement, the ball and socket on her left shoulder. And she's about 90% recovered. Well, this morning, I handed her my Glock 19. I asked her to pull the slide back. Guess what? She could not do it. So I handed her this little Ruger 380, and bam, she pulled it back nice and easy. So big advantage right there if for some reason you don't have a whole lot of hand strength. And this will be in her nightstand starting tonight. So anyways, let's take a look at the ammo and then put some rounds through this. You ready, son?
Yep.
Let's do it. So I have some arms core. This is a 95 grain full metal jacket. I have some CCI Blazer. Now this is aluminum cased, and it has a 95 grain full metal jacket. Some pistols don't like aluminum ammo, so we're going to put this whole box through this Ruger today and see what happens. Hornady American Gunner. This is a 90 grain XTP bullet, and muzzle velocity is rated at 1,000 feet per second. And finally, I have some Remington HTP High Terminal Performance, and this is a 88 grain jacketed hollow point, and we'll see how well these cycle today. Now, like I said, brand new, we have not fired it. Now I did disassemble it, I cleaned it, I swabbed out the bore, which is what you should do with any new pistol, and I did put a little lube on it. So we're going to break it in with the arms core. I'm going to fire 15 rounds, see what happens, and then my son's going to come in and shoot 10 rounds out of the 10-round magazine. And I'll tell you what, I really like that front sight. I mean, man, it is just so bright.
I do love that sight. That's very easy to see.
Pull that magazine out and rack that slide a few times. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, that's very smooth. I can see why that would be a lot easier for some people.
Okay, good. Okay, now we're going to switch over to the aluminum. Now, I don't normally buy aluminum cased ammo because I just don't like it, but we are going to test it in this Ruger. So let me fire 15 rounds, see what happens. Okay. All right, my son's going to shoot 10 rounds at some steel plates with the 10-round magazine.
All right.
Okay, so on this aluminum, we have fired 25 rounds, so obviously we still have 25 rounds, but I do want to shoot this whole box, so let me fire 10 rounds right here. Aluminum. Okay.
All right, I'm going to try these from a little further back, see if I can hit them. Well, probably got about half of them.
Oh, I think you got 7 or 8 of them. Hey, good shooting.
Thank you. All right, that was 50 rounds of aluminum ammo and not a single problem.
Okay, guys, time to find out if this is going to cycle hollow point ammo. We're going to start off with the Hornady American Gunner. Again, a 90 grain XTP bullet. Son, catch. All right, 10 rounds. No, I'm sorry, 15 rounds. Ah!
Uh-oh.
Look at that. Come on, Ruger. And that was a live round. I'm going to just drop that in my pocket. That's not good. Not good at all. You know, recoil is very, very mild. Let's see, that's a 25 round box, so I got 10 more rounds. So let's see what happens with those. Okay, again, American Gunner, my last 10 rounds. Let's see what happens. I don't know. You know, just one round like that, or one jam like that, will just, my confidence level just goes way down. So let's try that Remington ammo, see what happens. Remington, HTP, 15 rounds. Oh, much better. All right, you know what? Let's blow something up with a hollow point. Okay, you're next.
Nice.
And that was a Remington HTP. Okay guys, final thoughts on this little Ruger. What do I think? I'll tell you what, I really like it, and I do recommend it. You know what? It's easy to rack, low recoil, very easy to shoot. I like the 10 round and 15 round magazines. Fits my hand really good. I think my wife is really going to like it when I bring her out here to shoot it. And no, she won't get in front of the camera, unfortunately. So, really do like the pistol. Now, I do have two small complaints. One, that barrel gets hot really quick. Now, as a lot of you guys know, I do a lot of pistol shooting, and I very rarely ever notice a hot barrel on a pistol, but my son and I, man, we really notice this one, even though it has cooling slots on it. Just kind of a minor complaint. And second is the accuracy. Typical Ruger, it's okay, but not real great. We missed some shots today that we probably should have made, but overall, good little pistol. I'm glad I bought it. My wife's gonna like it. So, let me see if I can hit this plate back here. One last shot. Look at that, huh? Maybe it's not so bad. Anyways, guys, hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. You know what, son? I got one more round in here. Let's see what happens. Hey, guess what? I like my new Ruger. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.